Welcome to our educational exploration of judicial review within the UK public law framework. Today we will delve into the nature, scope, and procedures of judicial review, a critical aspect of constitutional law. Our journey will cover the key terminologies, roles, and the importance of judicial review. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how judicial review functions in maintaining the rule of law. Let's begin this insightful journey into the heart of public law. The judiciary is a system of courts that administers justice according to the law. It is an essential branch of government where judicial power is vested. The judiciary plays a critical role in applying the law, settling disputes, and punishing lawbreakers. This system is a cornerstone of our democratic society, ensuring peace, order, and good governance. Understanding the judiciary's role is fundamental to grasping the broader concept of judicial review. Judicial review is a process where a judge or judges determine whether a public body has acted lawfully. It is a significant aspect of the UK's constitutional framework, providing a means to challenge decisions made by public authorities. This process is crucial in holding government actions accountable and ensuring they do not overstep legal boundaries. Judicial review safeguards civil rights and liberties by scrutinizing and potentially striking down unlawful actions. It is a vital mechanism for maintaining the balance of power within the government.
Judicial review allows individuals to challenge the legality of decisions made by public bodies. This can be done through various means, such as complaints procedures, appeals to tribunals, or directly through judicial review. However, judicial review is not without its limitations. It is not a re-evaluation of the decision's merits, but a legal examination of the decision-making process. Understanding these limitations is crucial for effectively navigating the judicial review process.
Judicial review is vital for ensuring that each branch of government operates within its legal limits. It plays a crucial role in protecting civil rights and liberties, offering a route to justice for those affected by public body decisions. By overseeing government actions, judicial review helps maintain the constitutional balance and prevents the abuse of power. This process is integral to upholding the rule of law and protecting democratic principles. What is judicial review? The judicial review process involves several procedural steps to challenge the lawfulness of public authority decisions. Judicial review allows individuals to challenge public authority decisions and assess their legality through defined steps. It begins with a pre-action protocol where a formal letter is sent to the defendant outlining the claim. This is followed by an application for permission to proceed with the review. If granted, the case moves to the substantive stage, where the court examines the legality of the decision. Understanding these steps is essential for anyone considering a judicial review. The pre-action protocol is the initial step in the judicial review process. It involves sending a formal letter to the proposed defendant, detailing the claim and desired outcomes. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the judicial review and allows for a potential resolution before court proceedings. The protocol requires a response within a specified time frame, ensuring timely communication between parties. Adhering to this protocol is essential for a successful judicial review.
The permission stage is a critical juncture in the judicial review process. Here, the court decides whether there is an arguable case for the review to proceed. This stage filters out cases lacking legal merit, ensuring only substantial claims are heard. Obtaining permission involves demonstrating a genuine interest in the case and presenting a well-founded legal argument. This stage is pivotal in determining the course of the judicial review.
Applying for permission involves submitting a claim form outlining the facts and legal grounds for the judicial review. This includes providing relevant documents and legal provisions supporting the case. The process requires careful preparation and analysis to ensure all necessary information is presented. Once submitted, the court evaluates the claim's validity and decides whether to grant permission. This step is essential in advancing the judicial review process.
If permission is granted, the judicial review proceeds to the substantive stage. This involves a thorough examination of the evidence and legal arguments from both parties. The court assesses whether the public body's decision was made lawfully. This stage is crucial for determining the outcome of the review and ensuring justice is served. The substantive stage often involves detailed legal scrutiny and can significantly impact the final judgment.
Understanding rolled-up hearings is important for navigating complex judicial reviews. This approach expedites the judicial review process by addressing both stages simultaneously. In some cases, the permission and substantive stages are combined into a rolled-up hearing. Rolled-up hearings are typically used in urgent or straightforward cases requiring quick resolution. While this method can be cost-effective, it may also present challenges due to the condensed timeline. The costs associated with judicial review can be significant, but the process is generally quicker than other legal proceedings. Costs are often determined by the complexity and duration of the case. In some instances, costs are assessed immediately, while others require detailed evaluation by a specialist judge. Despite the potential expense, judicial review remains an accessible means of challenging unlawful decisions. Understanding the cost implications is crucial for anyone considering this legal route.
Judgments in judicial reviews can be delivered orally or in writing. Written judgments are typically more detailed and considered, providing a comprehensive rationale for the decision. Oral judgments may be quicker, but can require transcripts for detailed understanding. After the judgment, there is often discussion about costs and the possibility of an appeal. The delivery of judgment is a pivotal moment in the judicial review process, marking the conclusion of the case.
The appeal process allows for further examination of a judicial review decision. If permission to appeal is denied, the next step is applying directly to the Court of Appeal. This process involves presenting new evidence or legal arguments to challenge the initial judgment. Appeals are an important aspect of the judicial review system, providing an additional layer of scrutiny. Understanding the appeal process is essential for those seeking further legal recourse.
Types of legal breaches. Substantive breaches occur when a decision violates legal obligations, while procedural impropriety involves failures in following fair procedures. Both can be grounds for judicial review, but they address different aspects of legality. Substantive breaches focus on the content of the decision, whereas procedural impropriety examines the decision-making process. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effectively challenging unlawful actions. Both concepts play a vital role in maintaining legal integrity.
What is procedural impropriety? It describes failures in following fair procedures and principles of natural justice. Procedural impropriety refers to failures in adhering to fair procedures and natural justice principles. This includes not following statutory rules or common law fairness requirements. Claims of procedural impropriety often arise when decision-makers neglect the right to be heard or show bias. Addressing procedural impropriety is essential for ensuring decisions are made lawfully and fairly. It is a key consideration in judicial reviews, safeguarding the integrity of the legal process. The right to be heard is a fundamental aspect of procedural fairness in judicial reviews. It ensures that individuals have the opportunity to present their case and respond to evidence against them. This right applies to both administrative and judicial decisions. Though the level of fairness may vary, exceptions exist, such as in matters of national security or emergencies. Understanding this right is crucial for ensuring fair and just decision-making processes.
Certain situations may warrant exceptions to procedural fairness, such as national security or resource rationing. These exceptions recognize that some circumstances require expedited or confidential decision-making. However, such exceptions must be justified and not undermine the overall fairness of the process. Balancing these exceptions with the need for fairness is a delicate task in judicial reviews. Recognizing these exceptions is important for understanding the complexities of legal procedures.
The level of fairness required in decision-making is determined by various factors, including the nature of the decision and its impact. Courts consider the seriousness of the circumstances and the potential consequences of the decision. Higher levels of fairness are expected in cases involving significant rights or interests. This assessment is crucial for ensuring that decisions are made with the appropriate level of scrutiny. Understanding how fairness levels are determined is key to navigating judicial reviews.
The content of fairness in judicial reviews involves several key rights, such as the right to notice, representation, and legal explanation. These rights ensure that individuals are adequately informed and can participate in the decision-making process. The right to call and cross-examine witnesses is also part of this fairness content. Ensuring these rights are upheld is essential for maintaining the integrity of legal proceedings. Understanding the content of fairness is vital for protecting rights in judicial reviews.
Legal representation plays a crucial role in ensuring fairness in judicial reviews. While not always guaranteed, it is often necessary for complex cases or where individuals are particularly vulnerable. The right to legal representation helps ensure that parties can effectively present their case. This right is considered based on the circumstances and the potential impact on the individual's rights. Understanding the role of legal representation is essential for navigating judicial reviews effectively. Public law governs the relationship between individuals and the state, encompassing areas like constitutional and administrative law. In contrast, private law deals with interactions between private citizens, such as contracts and property law. Understanding the distinction between these two branches is essential for navigating legal systems. Public law ensures government actions are lawful, while private law regulates individual relationships. Recognizing these differences is crucial for understanding the broader legal landscape.
In conclusion, judicial review is a fundamental aspect of public law, ensuring government accountability and protecting individual rights. Through its procedural steps and legal principles, judicial review provides a mechanism for challenging unlawful decisions. Understanding its scope, limitations, and processes is essential for anyone engaged in public law. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights into the role of judicial review in maintaining the rule of law. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Thank you for watching our exploration of judicial review and public law. We hope you found this educational journey insightful and informative. Stay informed and engaged with the legal processes that shape our society.